This gold trade right here just gave me over 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, and I was able to flip a $32 account to a $515 account in just one trade right here. Alright, so make sure to watch to the very end as I show you everything that happened on this particular trade step by step. Alright, so you can see that this forecast was actually shared on Facebook for free right here before all those things happened right there. You can see that right now I was looking for a drop based rally, and then the market left behind an order block right here and the QML, and all I waited for was for the market to take out the low of the Asian session, come into my POI, and then execute. You can see that once the market came to my area, I was actually able to share this on our Facebook page. We entered this particular trade and the market was moving beautifully in our direction right here, as you can see from here. And then say few moments later, we saw the market continue to push in our direction, and until all the way the market ended up going all the way to our take profit right here, and the TP was smashed just like that. And let me show you, this was shared, this was seen by almost like 300 people on our Facebook page. And if you come here, this was the account that I flipped from literally $32 right here, as you can see from here, $32 right here, all the way, let me show you, all the way to $517 right here. This was just amazing. All right, now let me show you exactly what was happening on our chart, right? So the market was predominantly pushing to the upside. You can see the market has been pushed to the upside right here. So what I did was I looked at the zone that was before the Asian session was taken out. Like I always show you guys, that zone is very, very important. The zone that is before the Asian session is extremely important. So I found this drop based rally, okay, and once I found this drop based rally, I just took the high and the low of that zone and then took it to the right side. And of course we had our Asian session right here. As you can see, this market didn't just come to my zone. After the market came here, it took out the Asian low, kind of pushed the upside a bit, then dropped, pushed a bit, and then finally came into my zone right here. So most likely people end up entering from here and they got stopped out, they ended and got stopped out right there, and then the market came to this level right here, and guess what, it was game over. After that, the market just continued to push to the upside with absolutely big momentum candles. Actually, my target was not even up there. My target was just a 1 to 10. I was just targeting this high right here because it was Friday. It was like a 1 to 10 reward ratio. Guess what? The market ended up going all the way to about 1 to 24 risk to reward ratio, and that was just insane. But let me tell you something, right? The market works in terms of probability. The market is always going to be probable. You never know. You're never going to know exactly what's going to happen in the market. That's the reason why you have to have a proven strategy that has been back tested and forward tested in the market, that shows you that the strategy is profitable. You'll never be able to tell on any individual trade what's going to happen. So you can take the same setup today, you have a good win like this. You can take the same setup 20 minutes later, that trade can be a loser. So you as a trader, your job is not to predefine which zone is going to actually work. Your job as a trader is to execute all setups that meet your criteria. And then when you have beautiful trades like this, guess what, they're going to pay for all the losses. Otherwise you'd never know which one is going to work or not. So your job is to simply execute. And if I hesitated to execute this particular trade, guess what, I would have actually lost out because I was scared, right? So it's all about execution, all about that. Otherwise, if you are scared to take the next trade, guess what, you will just end up missing out on beautiful trades. Your job is to simply execute your strategy, respect your risk management, and continuously execute. There'll be times when your edge will stop working out because of different market conditions. Like this August has been crazy of the month, and it's common sense, right? Because people are taking out of the market, are going for vacations and all that, so you expect less liquidity in the market and a lot of stop hands and all that. So your job is to execute, and if you have to take a break and come back stronger, because the market is always going to be here. I didn't do anything special on this particular trade. I just followed my strategy and it paid me, right? So it's all about consistently executing your strategy, and that's going to keep you in the game. All right, I just hope you found value from this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. And if you'd like to get involved with us, there'll be links down in the description. Check them out and you'll be able to actually join us. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.